Hey beauty, it's Ash. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm literally standing outside of my office right now. We just moved some stuff so that way we can get started on the painting. I wanted to say, hey girl, hey, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Ash. Nice to meet you, beauty. If you're not new here, thank you so much for sticking around and coming back for another video. Today's video is about my office getting a new makeover. So if you do want to see how that goes, then go ahead and stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below for more videos. Give this video a like, and I love you guys. Let's get into it. Good morning. Say hi to Artemis.
Hi.
This is Albert. This is Brandon. And that is the beautiful Myra. Yo! Hi guys! It's Vlogmas. Alright, so I was telling you guys about my office, and today it's gonna be painted. So I'm gonna show you guys my office really quickly. So it's very bare. That's the lady that cleans once a week. That's my assistant. And then this is a tenant who's paying her rent, so we'll give her the privacy. But there's this little area here. Let me step back. So what I want to do is from that corner over there all the way here, we're gonna do like a dark blue, and those are the buckets of paint. So we're gonna do blue here, and then everything else that you see over here is gonna be like a different shade of gray. We're gonna get rid of this board. We're gonna make this like a huge, beautiful coffee bar. We got a bunch of stuff. Like it's gonna be black and white in here, like the accessories. And there's like my little stereo down there. Isn't it cute? Love the music. That's a little before. I'm so excited, so stay tuned. Look at the blue. So I want to do like a dark blue. It's gonna be so pretty. Forward or should I like I need a break to eat. Psych. Say hello, Brandon.
1905.
What's up?
Albert Shining, so.
What's with the glitter? Is that? Oh, that's the eye. Oh, okay. I'm looking like.
Oh yeah, the autofocus.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm being fast. McDonald's.
She'll be in the bathroom in about 30.
I'll play a song by Men at Work. I come running down the There's Brandon. He does that to me 50 times a day. Ain't that right? Be red.
Yeah.
They're here to paint. I'm so excited. So they were saying they're gonna put plastic all over everything because they're gonna paint the ceiling, they're gonna paint all the walls, and it's gonna be dripping. So they have to protect everything, and the smell's gonna be really strong. So I don't know if we should do it. That's what I said. That's what I said. I was like, "Are you pregnant?" And he was like, "No." I said, "Is your little girlfriend pregnant?" He says, "She can't have kids no more." Okay. Okay. Right, right. Because a lot of times the guys get sick too, yeah, so it's funny. You guys see my new background? Pretty house. I'm trying to convince Myra to be on camera, you guys. Comment down below if you guys want to see her on camera, because I do. Just be like, Myra, yes! Myra, yes! She said she does interior design, so I'm trying to think of what her channel would be about. So, I don't know, but they're trying to kick us out of the office so that we don't get paint all over us, or we're not like poisoned with all the toxins. But I really want to record it and I really want to watch, so I'm like dying. All right, you guys, are you guys ready to see my outfit? I can't wait to show you. Isn't it freaking gorgeous? Rise and shine, it's coffee time. Aren't those cute? So cute. And then all my creamer, Keurig cups and stuff down here. So it's regular, all the different types. I wanted to organize that, but for now that's just gonna have to do. And lots of creamer. And then up here, hot chocolate. But yeah, so there's the cups, the stirs, the lids, and then in here I had some creamer too, but you know, not that big a deal. So it's super cute. And then over here we have my fridge, lots and lots of water. We have some fruit, more water, a little soda down there. But yeah, and then over here I have my little stereo on the floor. I have a little shredder right there. My printer, my files, my documents, and my messy ass desk. But yeah, and then I didn't show you guys this side over here. Some cute stuff on the wall. Just says welcome. And then the little paintings right there. So I'm gonna get rid of that in the corner. I'm gonna fill up these little gold baskets with stuff. That's popcorn one of the residents brought. And then this has got to go outside, but this is my office. Yes, ma'am. And that carpet's the best part. All right, love you guys. Catch you in my next video. Bye.